Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to create highlights on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. Open up your Instagram application, and today, I will walk you through two different ways that you can add story highlights. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to add a brand new story to your highlights. So in order to do that, let's create a quick little story by swiping to the right, and I'm going to post something random from the gallery as my story. Once you have posted your story, tap on More. You will see a bunch of options. Tap on Highlight, and then you get the option to add a new highlight. So type in a name for your story highlight, and then simply tap on Add. And as you can see, the story has now been added to highlights. So let's go over to my profile, and right here is the story highlight that I just created.